Next, you'll move ahead about 9 months and 80 miles south of Nazareth to Bethlehem, where you'll enter through the Roman soldiers who are taking a census.
Roman soldiers.
Please pause this recording until you pass through the census booth with Roman soldiers in our parking lot.
Save that one for
I
last.
think they only do this today.
Hi, Romans.
I'll go on this.
Yeah, let me know.
Joseph and a very busy family traveled to Bethlehem, but it was overcrowded. There was nowhere for him to stay. It began for the Lord Jesus the way it would always be. They would have no room for him. And still he chose to come here for us. And that was love. The humble little town of Bethlehem, whose Jesus entered into this world, that had fallen into sin and fallen away from God. He came to restore peace between God and all people. It's just as God had promised hundreds of years before through his prophet Micah. But you, Bethlehem Ephrathah, though you are small among the clans of Judah, out of you will come for me one who will be ruler over Israel, whose origins are from of old, from ancient past. Please enjoy the scenery and activity in Bethlehem and its marketplace, and pause this recording until you reach the inn where there was no vacancy just before the manger scene.
Yep.